One of the most amusing incidents or situations I found myself in doing a volunteer role play, they were actually a little bit short of bodies to perform a particular role, and I happened to score the role of a young female, irrespective of my age, having to attend the doctor to obtain a prescription for the morning after pill. Obviously some of the questions I was asked were obviously a little bit beyond my comprehension to explain properly, but I think overall, apart from having a little bit of trouble convincing the students I was actually a female of that particular age group, generally we found it a very, very humorous situation, and at the end we had a good laugh about the eventual outcome.
My most moving experience was with a young international student, her first year, and it was the first time that he was going to be role-playing with a volunteer. And he was really nervous, and he was obviously blushing a lot. He started his sentences several times, he was fidgeting, and I could tell that he was very, very nervous. And I said to him, "Are you nervous?" And he said, "Yeah, I am." And he said, "When I first sat down, I watched my friends and I thought, oh, I can do that." But he said, "It's very different sitting in this chair, isn't it?" And I said, "Yeah, it is." And so I was able to talk to him and calm him down and get him to breathe, which is the most important thing for them to do. And then at the end of it, I felt that it was my most moving experience, because at the end he said, "Thank you, you are just so lovely." And he stood up and shook my hand with both of his on 3 separate occasions before he actually moved on to the next volunteer. And I felt really humble that I was able to help him so much, that I'd made such a difference to him, that I was able to make him feel so comfortable in what he found a really difficult situation.